Today's meditation is going to be a body scan for beginners. And as it's relatively short, I encourage you, if you enjoy this practice, to keep sitting after the bell goes. You can move through the body again if you wish. So you can allow your eyes to close and settle into your posture. Some people like to do body scans lying down. I like to do them upright, seated. But being true to yourself, whatever works for you. And we can take a moment here at the beginning just to arrive where we are in the body. So, however your posture is, sitting or lying down or standing, seeing if you can get a sense of how the body's resting, a felt sense of maybe the outline of the body. Maybe you can feel the feet on the floor or your body lying in the bed. And to start the body scan, we're going to start up at the crown of the head. So bringing your attention to the top of the head here and just seeing what you can feel. It's really that simple. We don't need to change anything. We don't need to make anything happen. Just tuning in to how the top of the head feels. Moving down the head into the forehead and brow. Noticing any scrunching or tension. Into the eyes and cheeks and nose. You might notice the sensation of the body breathing here. Into the jaw, the mouth and the tongue. Seeing if the jaw is clenched or at ease, how the tongue is resting. Down the neck, the back of the neck, the front of the neck, the tops of the shoulders. Down the shoulders into the upper arms. Just carrying your attention to each part of the body, like we did with the breath. Collecting your attention and placing it gently, not forcing our attention. Continuing into the forearms, the wrists, the hands. You might notice that the air feels different on the back of the hand than the palm of the hand. And back up to the torso, the upper back and the chest. You can feel the expansion and contraction in the lungs and rib cage as we breathe. Into the lower back and obliques and abdomen. Just reflecting, what can I actually feel in the body here in this moment? There's no right or wrong answer. There's nothing you should or should not be experiencing. Seeing if you can get in touch with the direct physical experience. Continuing into the hips and butt, groin. We might feel the point of contact here where we're sitting in a chair. down into the thighs, your quads and hammies, your knees, all the way down into your calves and shins. And finally into the ankles and feet. What can you feel here in the feet in this moment? And we'll take a moment again here at the end just to kind of feel the whole body together, made up of all these separate parts, but also one in a sense. Taking a few last breaths with the whole body, if you can. Hi, I'm Matthew. I want to invite you to our Introduction to Mindfulness mini course. It's free, it's a week long, and it contains talks and meditation practices to help you understand exactly what mindfulness is and how you can get started on your path. To learn more and sign up, you can click the link right here.